Welcome to Smokin Eagles Rod Shop, and what do we do around here? Well, we do a little bit of this, and a little bit of this, and even some of this, and other things like this 461 big block Buick we put in my 71 Electra 225 burnout car that we take to Cletus and Cars and other burnout competitions. We do garden tractors, mini bikes, go-karts, small engine repair, paint and body work. We do small block Chevys, big block Chevys, small block Fords, LS stuff, general auto repair, man cave projects, tool reviews, redneck life hacks, Camaro stuff, Ford vans, El Caminos, C10s. I'm forgetting half a dozen things, Studebaker stuff. You just never know what you're going to get around here. I do a little bit of everything, and I share it all with you guys. So that's all available down below for free. You can go check that stuff out. You got nothing to lose. I appreciate all your support. And if you decide you want some sweet merch, we have that available too on our website. Hats, t-shirts, all kinds of cool stuff. We've also got a membership program if you want early access. I like to just video dump a bunch of videos at once, and members get early access to all that stuff. But I'm not going to hold you any longer. I'm going to let you go check all that stuff out. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the comments. And until next time, keep on wrenching. Peace.